Assalamualaikum guys, hope you're all well. And today I got a wonderful Shami Kabab recipe. So easy to do. Just stay with me guys and I'll get straight into it. Okay guys, I'm using 1.5 kg of mutton meat. I'll give it a boil and a rinse. And I'm going to put this in the pan. Okay, once I've added the minced meat in, I'm going to add 1 cup of lentils, chana dal. Okay guys, the lentils, I'll let them soak for an hour in water before I put them in. For about an hour. Right, I'm going to add in 1 onion cut up, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger and about 3 potatoes cut in half. Put them in. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 6-7 cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, about 5 black cardamoms, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of black peppers, whole black peppers they are, and about 6-7 small bay leaves. I'm going to put them in. And I'm going to put 1 cup of water in it. Then I'll give this a mix now. Put everything in and then give it a mix. Okay, once you've mixed it all in, put the lid on and let it cook away for about 20-25 minutes on a medium heat. Okay guys, it's been cooking for about 20-25 minutes and I'm going to check it now. Hopefully it'll be done. Okay guys, this is nearly ready now. So what I'm going to do is get the big cardamoms and the bay leaves out because we don't need them anymore. Let's take them out. Okay guys, I've took the black cardamoms and bay leaves out. I'm going to shift it into another bowl now. Where I'm going to mash them up. Okay, so you've got to mash everything in now. All the potatoes and the lentils. The chana dal, make sure it's all nicely mashed. All the lentils and the potatoes and whatnot. If you find any cloves or black peppers in it, take them out if you want. Or you can leave the black peppers in, but take the cloves out and the cardamoms. Okay, once you mashed it all up, then add 1 onion cut very fine, about half a cup of coriander and about 4 or 5 chilies cut up. Green chilies they are. Put them in. And put in half a cup of rice flour. And then just mix it with your hands. And make sure everything's nicely mixed in there. Okay guys, once you've mixed it all in, then we'll start making the kebabs shapes just before we fry them. Just make them into a ball and then just pat them down. Something like that. Just about half a handful. Roll it into a ball and then just pat it down. Something like that. You make them all like that and then we'll start frying them, shallow fry them. Okay guys, I'll start shallow frying them now. So what you need is 2 eggs whisked to dip them into. Okay guys, so I've got 2 eggs. I'm going to dip it into the egg. Let it drain off the egg. You don't want too much on there. Just pop it in. Just coat the Shami Kabab with the egg mixture, with the egg, sorry, and then just pop them in. Okay, once you put them in, as many as you can get in the pan, and then just toss them over after a couple of minutes. Look at them. Toss them all over. Once you toss them over, give them a couple of minutes on the other side. because the minced meat is virtually cooked. We're just making the shami kebab out of that. Okay guys, just give them a couple of turns and then just check them out. A couple of minutes either side, a couple of times. That's it. Done. Wonderful. Look at them. Beautiful. The taste is lovely. These are awesome. Have a go, guys. I'll take them out and I'll show you. MashaAllah, the shami kebabs have come out beautiful, guys. Please do have a go. So easy to do, guys. Tastes wonderful. Enjoy them with the salad or chili sauce, homemade chili sauce that is, and I'll put a link in the description below how to make it. But the shami kebabs are beautiful. You can enjoy them with naan bread, have them in your sandwiches. Oh, just awesome they are. Lovely. And please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.